Hey there crew, Matt Basago here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to customize a gymnastics leotard with some glitter heat transfer vinyl. Okay, so the materials I'm going to use here today are Caesar glitter heat transfer vinyl. I have my light multi, I have my white rainbow, and then I have my black glitter. And I'm going to go ahead and cut these on our Graphtec CE 6060 vinyl cutter, and then we're going to heat press them over here on our Hoptronics auto clamp. So let's go ahead, get this ready in the software, measure out the Leo to see the size of the design, and get this thing created. Okay, so there's a couple of different things we want to do before we get our design set up. First thing we want to do is we want to measure out our Leo here to see what size we want this design. So measuring across here, I'm looking at about 8 inches, and then on the back, I'm going to do a monogram. So right in this blue area, I'm going to throw some black glitter. So I know I have a max of 2 1/4 inches, so I'm probably going to go 1 3/4 inches. So let's go ahead and get that into the software here. Now I'm currently working inside CorelDRAW X8 in the TRW Design Wizard, which is our software. So I have my design set up. I'm going to highlight it real quick, make sure I'm at 8 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and lock my proportions, and let's go ahead and switch that to 8 real quick. So sizing is perfect. Now I have my font down here, my LWRG, all right? I want to get that into a circle monogram. So to do that, I'm going to choose my TRW monogram circles, and with our monogram feature in our software, I'm just going to click on it, click on the M right here for monogram, and now I have a perfect circle monogram ready for the back of this Leo. So now what we need to do is we need to get our color separations real quick. Very simple. So I'm just going to resize my design here. And I want to separate this design first, so I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go to templates. I'm going to do a vinyl overcut, so I'll click on it, and there's my color separations already mirrored for me. So the software is going to automatically mirror it and color separate it. So I got my light multi here, and then I have my white glitter here. So let's go ahead and get this sent to the Graphtec vinyl cutter to get this cut. Okay, so we've started the cut. I'm using a 45-degree blade with this cut here. And I am at a speed of 21 and a force of 14 on the cutter. Alright, now we're cutting the black glitter, and this is going to be the monogram part of our design. And then the last cut of our design is going to be the white rainbow glitter, and this is going to be the main wording of the logo. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a little trick with my Hoptronics auto clamp here. So, as you know, you have this release for the platen. I can turn this platen this way and lock it back in. So I just turn my platen. Now what I can do is I can actually take my leotard here and I can thread it up onto this platen a little bit, okay? To where the press is going to come down to it. It's going to keep all of this flat and perfect for me. And then I can just move it a little bit to make sure everything's lined up good. So that looks good there. A little bit off the left edge. I'm just lining these two areas up right here to make sure that I'm all good. And I'm going to say that looks pretty good right there. So I'm at 309 degrees. I'm going to come down with a quick little press here. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and line it up here. So let's grab my entire design. I want the entire design because I want my gymnast here to make sure it's not getting too high on the top. So that looks good right around that area. So I can take that off. Now I got my white glitter. I'm about to the left edge there. I'm about to the right edge. I'm just going to take a peek at this and say, okay, that looks pretty straight right there. So I think I'm pretty much good with this. Off the edge there, and let's go ahead and press this down. Now, I'm only going to go 2 to 3 seconds for this first press because I'm coming back with a second. So 1 1,000, 2 1,000 up. And let's go ahead and peel that off there. That looks perfect. Come back with my gymnast, going through the design right here, and make sure this lines up perfect. Got a little piece of glitter there, just getting rid of. So that looks good right there. Going right through my design there perfectly. Now I do want to use a cover sheet for this because I have some glitter exposed. So I'm going to grab my cover sheet here. And now we're going to go down for the full 15 seconds on this press. Lift this up. Peel this off. That looks beautiful. Now we're going to take this off here. And let's go ahead and get the back of our design going here. So for the back of the design, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to thread it again like this to make sure to get this nice and flat right there. See how flat it gets it, but it also stretches it just a little bit, but not too much. So I can get the design looking great on it. And I'm going to grab my monogram part of my design here. You can see my LWRG. This is going to look nice. Quick little pre-press here. And then let's drop this LWRG right in the middle here. I always like to take the entire Leo, just make sure that everything's looking straight. I think that all looks pretty good right there. Let's go ahead and drop this down. And again, we're going to go for about 10 to 15 seconds. I think I had it set on 10 right here. Let's go ahead and peel this off. And that black glitter looks awesome right there. Alright, so there we go. Here is our finished product right here. You can see the logo looks amazing on the front right here. And then on the back, we have the monogram of the LWRG. Front with the light multi and the white rainbow glitter. So it looks really awesome, but the coolest thing about this entire project right here is how much money we can make on it. So the customer can bring us the Leo and we can customize it from there. Just to give you an idea, I want you to think in your head right now, how much do you have in glitter heat transfer vinyl? So if you buy it by the larger rolls, total glitter heat transfer vinyl in this actual Leo right here, 58 cents. 58 cents worth of glitter heat transfer vinyl in this Leo, and the customer brought us the Leo to be able to decorate and customize. What would I charge for this? Front and back, 3 different colors. I'm going to charge a minimum of $25 to customize this right here. Because it's completely customized. I could put their initials on the back. I could do a monogram of their initials. I could do a different logo on the front. Now, if they weren't doing the back with the customization, then I would probably be around $17.50. So, very easy, 58 cents. You might have 7 to 10 minutes in total time in creating this, but great margins for your business. So to get all of the heat transfer vinyl that you've seen in this video here, just go to therhinestoneworld.com. We have all of the Caesar heat transfer vinyl on stock, and we do ship it same day. We also have the Graphtec CE6060 vinyl cutter, the Hotronix heat presses, the software CorelDRAW, and the TRW Design Wizard. The TRW Design Wizard, with one button, I was able to figure out that 58 cents worth of heat transfer vinyl. So it'll figure out all of your heat transfer vinyls, your signed vinyls, all of your margins. It'll also figure out your overhead, your labor cost, and all of that as well. So definitely check out the TRW Design Wizard software on the website, therhinestoneworld.com as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas to increase the margins and the profits in your business. But if you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel right there. Check out some other awesome videos right on over there, and we'll see you guys soon. Later.